Alright, sorry for the noise with the cars. I'm in my garage and I have it open because I'm going to be spray painting this box. I got it at Goodwill. I think it was $10. It's very heavy and really nice. It's got a velvet inside and I just really liked it a lot. But I'm not a huge fan of this coloring and this like antique-y bronze look, so I'm going to change it to black, and then I'm going to redo like the antiquing look with kind of a teal and champagne, cooler colors rather than warm. So this is the before. Oh, that's another project I'm working on. So yeah, I have sprayed it down. I washed it, of course, first, and then I sprayed it down with some adhesion promoter just to help the paint stick well. And I'm going to go ahead and spray it with some satin spray paint instead of brush painting, because I just don't want any strokes, any brush strokes on it. So I'm gonna see how the spray paint goes, and if I have to, then I will go over it with a brush and paint, but hopefully this works out. So yeah, here we go. I'm going to go ahead and get it sprayed, and then I'll be back with the next step. All right, I got this chest all painted black, and I taped off all of this because I want this to stay black, and you'll see what I'm going to be doing with that. But this, I am going to spray the black with a color morph blue and purple on top of this. So that's what we're going to do here. Let's see if hopefully I have enough in this can. Can you see that? Looks nice. And I'm just going to spray the rest of it, and then I'll be back when it dries. Well, you can't see the purple. I don't know why it's not showing. Maybe once it dries. But that's the color shift. I did the same thing to this wreath. All right, don't mind my mess. I'm at my kitchen table, but I've already taken off all of the paint, not the paint, the tape, and I'm going in with this metallic luster. It's kind of like rub and buff. This is champagne ice, but it actually comes on as a little bit silvery, as you can see. I've already done some here, and I did a little bit up here, but it's super simple. All you do is take the tiniest little dab, and then just, oh, I didn't get enough. You just rub it on. It catches the raised areas. And a little bit goes a long way. As you can see, just that one Little Dab has done several of these. I did get it right there. Scratch it off. A little bit more. And I'm just gonna go around and do all of the raised ornate details. Just like that. Let me show you this up here. You just rub your finger, let it catch the raised parts, and it perfectly highlights them, giving it some dimension. Oh, this is gonna be so beautiful. And it's nighttime right now, so tomorrow I'm gonna take it out in the sun so you can really see it in all of its glory. Here is the finished box. I brought it outside in the natural light. See if you can see the purple. This is color shift. From this angle, it's purple. Purple and blue. But I really like the way that it turned out. Especially these details that really made it pop.